What are the advantages of a round table over a rectangular or square table? Dear friends, round tables offer several practical and social advantages that make them popular in homes, restaurants, and meeting spaces. One of the most important benefits is better interaction and communication. Since everyone sits at an equal distance from the center, no one feels excluded, and conversations flow more naturally. Unlike rectangular tables, a round table has no head, which reduces hierarchy and creates a sense of equality among people. Another advantage is efficient use of space. A round table often fits more people comfortably in a smaller area compared to a rectangular one of similar size. It is also easier to place in compact or irregularly shaped rooms. In terms of comfort, round tables remove the problem of corner seats, which can feel cramped or awkward. They also eliminate sharp edges, making them safer, especially for children, and more convenient when moving around. From an aesthetic perspective, the curved design of a round table brings softness and balance to a room filled with straight lines. It adds warmth and creates a welcoming atmosphere. In dining situations, round tables also make sharing easier. Food or items placed in the center are equally accessible to everyone, which is ideal for family-style meals or collaborative group work. In contrast, rectangular or square tables are more suitable for formal occasions or long, narrow spaces. However, when the goal is inclusiveness, safety, and efficient use of space, the round table clearly has the edge. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.